What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today, what up man? Today we are at the car culture, I guess this is December, out here in Katy, Texas. We're out here at La Santera, bright and early this morning. I'm very tired and it is very cold, so we got that chaqueta on. But if you guys are seeing this on Saturday or Sunday or whenever I decide to post this video, our new merch drop is live. We got shirts, we got lanyards, and we got pins for you guys. And a lot of people ordered them actually on the first day of the release. So if you want a large shirt or a medium shirt, those sizes are going pretty fast. So go ahead and swing by sinclairphotoshop.com and get you some merch today. But without further ado, let's get into the show, baby. All right guys, we'll start it off with a bang. We got the underground racing Lamborghini Huracan Performante. These things are absolutely insane, next to mama driven matte black painted 812 super duper fast. What's up?
What's up? Hey, what's up, girl?
Then we got the all big Wang Gang tracked out ZR1 C6. That thing is pretty freaking nutty too. He's like the king of the big Wang Gang, next to a classic 05 GT. Hopping over here, we got a beautiful in-your-face yellow SVJ, Gallardo, and a couple other goodies down here, featuring the new C8 Corvette. That white with the red interior looks very, very nice. We got a 720S pulling in, absolutely sinister spec, all black with the yellow accents. Got a C63 Black Series. This is a legit Black Series too, not a fake one like all the ones you see out and about. Then we got my boys SQ5 and a lot of other goodies. There's surprisingly not a lot of people here today. Usually you get here like 30 minutes early and the whole entire lot is packed, but today that doesn't seem to be the case. So hopefully that just means that everybody's on their way and we can watch them roll in. We got the kids pulling up in the GT500, my goodness. I wish I had GT500 money. That's insane. And if one Shelby wasn't better, we got two. Got the Shelby F-150 rolling in with the GT500. What an absolute squad. Got a beautiful old school NSX with the blue bride seats in there. That's a winner chicken dinner spec. Tucked away back here we have a beautiful GT350. I don't know why this guy isn't in the show. I've never seen a color like this on a GT350, which is very strange because you see a lot of Mustangs in this blue, but never a GT350. Check out this Supra. Oh, check out that Supra. Brothers, this one is crazy. I've never seen this one before. Got the big wing and everything. I like that a lot. I also like that one though. That's so nice, man. Get in my life. That crazy sounding C5. Turbo S. Crazy. Here comes the Marble Man. Marble Man. We've almost made our way to Starbucks and we got what looks like Cop Car 392, but I don't think it's a cop car, but it is very clean. It's on some Ferradas. Looks a little lower to the ground, got a little meaty action going on there. Very, very nice. All right, we're back to the meat. I got a water, Jordan got something warm, and we got Mr. John Hennessy himself pulling up in the 600 LT. What a man. Got a really nice Huracan passing on through on some wheels with a wing. And I think that's a 1016 Industries hood. Every Lambo needs a 1016 Industries hood. Alright guys, mid-show update. We're just out here chilling, enjoying all the cars driving by. Inside the gates are cool and all, seeing all the super duper expensive cars, but there's a lot of cars out here that are just as cool as the ones in there. Like that Camaro, freaking nasty. There's a red Z06 over there, freaking nasty. And a lot of other cool stuff, but these are the guys that usually send it. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna have some fun times later. Oh yeah, boy, this is gonna be a good one. XLR. Oh mama. I haven't seen one of those in a long time. Here comes some Lambos. I think that Huracan is on bags, and then that is the Tri-Aero Aventador. Woohoo! He'll send it for us. What a freaking beast. Dang, that's sick. Oh, Tesla! Woo! Color shift, brother. Woo! This is a bad spot, man. I swear, I've died like almost every single time I've been standing right here. But whoever was driving that, thank you for not killing me. I really, really appreciate that. Oh, here comes another one. Yeah, today is too beautiful to die. That thing looks crazy. Big Wang gang, here we go. Oh, he's lighting it up. Launch that thing. Yeah, everyone's trying to kill us today. That's the third time we've cheated death standing in this exact spot. I love it. Woo. Don't flip the wagon. Oh, there's another one. It's a little chilly outside, you could say. The tires are not quite warmed up yet. Boy, what you got your mask on in the car for? It's the Happy Lotus. Oh, he's getting sideways. Woo! I think it's because I'm wearing all red. They just want to run me over like a bull. Here comes the big rig. That is so crazy. I swear, man, they're all trying to get me today. Oh yeah, baby, we're in for a treat. Record on your phone. Record on the phone. Oh yeah, baby, Lamborghini V12. That could be you. Smash the like button for her heart. That Tesla looks pretty cool.